Una well done, my people. Now me, Mary Deba, I just still come and go follow and talk. We need to talk about this issue. You know, in case of kind should be say, I go here or I'll come across the thing with the go get a CB. I will need to talk about the issue. Imagine, I want to talk about Nigerian men. We go Nigeria now travel now. They here, guests for everywhere. Women for everyone. Now still go Nigeria now. Go carry woman come from there. Imagine now. You go carry woman come from Nigeria, come here. And that woman, now person be say, hi, he's still there outside. I don't know how two of them una go take work out this issue. I don't know because now waiting happen. True life story. Man, we go Nigeria, you get girlfriend here. The girl get belly for you. You still go Nigeria, you go carry another woman, you go carry and come. You do marriage, do everything. You carry the girl come here. You carry the girl, reach here, finish. Now the girl they tell you say you want also. Wow, I beg. I don't understand, men. So una really feel say na guess where they Nigeria, they be the perfect women for una to marry because una there abroad. Those are where they Nigeria, they never ever come Europe or they never ever do anything. I don't know the one that they look women where they abroad. I don't know as una they see them. Those ones where they Nigeria, they wanna think say they did, then I saw they school. And I said, may not be all girls where whole book enter campus, not be them not be all of the school for inside Uniben there. No, not be all of the get admission. Girls just the way they carry book they enter inside campus. Even their parents feel say they be students, whereas they not be students. They just collect their parents' money. Then you where they here as a man where they foolish. You won't go marry graduate from Nigeria. When you don't even know the kind of certificate we take graduates. You want to go marry and come. Then when you go come reach your finish, go tell you say, you want also. You want to enter streets. You as a man, foolish man, you will still agree. Woman when you don't pay a bride price, everything. You still agree me go the hustle. Me, I don't know why the thing no hold you. You will be down because they thought say, Benin get tradition. I don't know why the thing why I no hold you. It they pay me because na very stupid talk and silly thing to hear with ear. Say you as a man, you go bring your wife come from Nigeria. Woman where you call your wife, you bear her with her. The woman say one also, you also. Now very shameful thing for your own part. If your mate they talk as men, you go see they talk yourself man. You not be anything. You be fool to agree with your wife to live such life. How can you marry a woman? Okay, the girls where they what if you say they be? They're not good to marry. I want to tell now one thing, and they talk them every time. Say woman where they never even they understand the past on where they Nigeria. Because the any girl where they Nigeria, if you come here, no be because what did they think they different. They feel loyal to you, they loyal to you, to the core, to make sure say they reach here. But once they reach here, the attitude go change. Now they will even give you to police self. Drive you come off of the house where you even buy. But you don't reach one or take get sense. Either you marry the woman, you leave her there. Then say you bring her here. Or you marry here, 12 and gather day here. Manage life with you small, the way we're supposed to be. But the only now they go Nigeria, they feel saying I guess within Nigeria and perfect pass. We be say Nigeria for the everywhere na joints. Nowhere where guests know the food, they stand food. Now that one I go come their house. You go come feel saying that one I good for you to marry. Because the guests where they Europe, they're no good. No, more than the reason before now they do something. No, not get person where they advice on. I don't know. But I just want to talk to guys, especially say more than the reason. So when it comes to things of marriage, so you know, want to go marry for Nigeria. Many men they happy put my woman in Nigeria now. My facing a prestige. My woman in Nigeria now. What they take woman they abroad to do? But you want a woman where they abroad to do? Now make that they carry belly because you not born. No be now. They give una every time for Nigeria. They'll say una wife born. You go there. You go to Nigeria now. You spend 4 months or you spend 3 months. You don't get belly. If you don't come out at that time, you can't get belly. Una no now men I say they no sabi calculate time. Woman take get belly. Woman you say get belly today now. You no go fit calculate write the date. You say if I say get belly oh, now 1 month today now. Then you write and that mean from there they calculate. They go they give another person picking every time. Una know they ever use una brain for anything at all. Just all una know so now when you're married, the woman a graduate, the woman a this one. They chop certificates. All the women will be graduates don't come European. I mean, if they don't use their graduates or their school where they go, their certificate. I mean, they don't use them. Take further again. Say they want go back to school for here. As abroad, if you like, you go anything, you go for Nigeria, and you reach here, you must stay further for 3 years or 2 years for them to take no. Before they go feel approve you, say yes, you feel work for anywhere. But many of them say they be graduates, they come here. Their certificates where they even though some of the way people go school for Nigeria self as a graduate, their certificates where they don't say you go the post, you want to go marry come for Nigeria. You want my wife, she's a graduate, my girl is school. Your girl is school. I beg men, more na the reason. I beg more na think before na they do anything. Not be so na don't carry the rich here first, na don't carry the finish rich here. Na come the reason say to say I know. Now you want to say whether you know. Now the same thing where whole girls, where whole men, now whole girls where they go they carry men they come from Nigeria. Men full year, now go carry come from Nigeria. The man where you go carry come from Nigeria, you no leave girlfriend for Nigeria there. If you say as you the Europe is there, when you come to Nigeria now, you just keep yourself as a man, keep and wait for you. Because you will be the woman where they abroad. Now my girl, your boyfriend where they Nigeria, you don't go carry and come. I don't know the one of the things, if anything one of they do, it's important. If you not get sense, one of they seek advice for some people. Because I feel say many of them sense, not they una bring. You understand? Because wisdom they important. Because if I look what men they do, I look what women they do, somebody I want to bring a woman come from Nigeria. They don't not be now. You feel bring her come now, if it they good now. But you see, later on, that thing where you feel say it no go happen, now they happen. Now they happen. Now only other tribe apart from Nigeria, away from all these African countries. Now I see say that really the women, they really loyal to their husband. If their husband carry them come. Not be Nigerian woman carry Nigerian woman come Europe. If they loyal to you now just for 2 years. If you pass 2 years, forget. Anytime you don't take any friend here, forget. It's just they try to keep you quiet till the day we go ready to show himself. So waiting hold the men. Next thing hold the woman we go they carry men they come from Nigeria. If you as they talk you dey one place in no favor you, you change, you go another place. That no me say you no go jam man or person no go come your way. But say you go carry man come from Nigeria. Go carry man come from Nigeria, what you want to can do for you? You they lock up for inside house. Then you can't go they find money or you want go they work. I don't understand though. Man where you go carry, because you know the hear language. How you want to survive? And maybe the country you did now country be say they no be place where they speak English. Now where they for the learn language. Well, it is well as Bible talk, as we Christians always say it is well. See, my advice to all of you now. More than know what they do. Before now they go they carry a woman who live for Nigeria and come we go they put on for problem for you. They go they leave children for his house. They run follow streets, say they want make money. Your husband carry you come, it be like saying you want balance person, say carry you come. You want make money, you go even call the girl family, they will say now you carry and call Europe now. You want come find money. Woman you don't pay her best friend, a very shameful thing. And I they pray maybe say person where this thing happen to me see this video. Because before you come here go marry for Nigeria, the woman girl will give belly for you, no see me marry him. More they know what they do, eh? Now well done my people. Now me, Mary Deba, watch Ibota TV.